Alrighty, fantastic. We have this wonderful patient and we've spoken to her before, but this is always sort of special because this is the classic 12 months. It's 1 year out almost exactly from the time of her rhinoplasty. And occasionally you can see rhinoplasty results. It's not that common, but they may look terrific at 3 months, and heaven forbid, sometimes they start to go a little bit off the rails. They start to go off kilter. And so we always follow our patients, right? We've seen you many times over the last 12 months. Mm-hmm. One thing important to note in this practice, sometimes I hear patients had rhinoplasties and then, 10 years ago someplace else, and they went back once or twice. That's not how it works around here. You come back quite a few times. Mm-hmm. So anyway, this is 12 months out, and we've just looked at the pictures, and we've kind of taken a real close look at your nose. Give us any final thoughts. How was the experience? How are you feeling about your nose now? What's on your mind?
Well, I've just been happy from the beginning through to the end, and appreciate all of the kindness and the care, as well as the skill, and everything is exactly even better than I thought it would be. Even we were just talking about the non-existent scar, and it's definitely something that seems like a distant memory. Like, I can't believe it was a year.
Yeah.
So
what we actually like is that when patients, whether it's the non-existent scar or breathing well, all these things for when you say a distant memory, a lot of times, whether it's rhinoplasties or facelifts or whatever, the experience now sort of recedes into the memory such that you can just about barely remember or recognize that you had a surgery. And we love that, because what that telegraphs to us is there were no complications, but also that it looks very natural. Mm-hmm. You can better believe that if it didn't look natural, or if there was something else untoward, it would not be something that just receded back into the memory. It would be a little bit, on the front of your mind every time you brushed your teeth and you looked at your nose. So that's great. This is the experience we want. The full thing from beginning, at the earliest point of contact at the consult, right through here to 12 months. And it's not over yet. Patients, they don't follow up with us at the same frequency, but we would love to see you yearly, sort of forever. We want to see our patients, because how rhinoplasty surgeons get better at doing rhinoplasty is they have long-term follow-up, and they are able to study the nose, not just now, but a couple years from now, 5 years from now, from 10 years from now, and make sure that it ages well, that it just doesn't look good at this point. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it, and I hope you found that informative.